to give Facebook page access to someone else on Android.
This tutorial shows you how to share your page with another person and assign them a role. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right of the screen, and then tap on Menu on top left. From there, scroll down and tap on Pages. At this point, tap on the page you want to give access to. Let me show you. In the next step, switch to that page. From there, tap on your page and tap on the 3 dots on the top right. At this stage, scroll down and tap on Administrations to open the Role Management section. Following this, tap on Page Access to Page to start adding someone new. Once done, tap on Add New and type in the name or email address of the person you want to give access to. From there, tap on their name from the search results to select them. At this stage, tap on the Role dropdown and choose the level of access you want to give them. Options include Admin, Editor, Moderator, Advertiser, and Analyst. Once done, tap on Add to confirm, and Facebook may ask you to enter your password to verify the change. Go ahead and enter it and tap Submit, and that's it. If this guide helped you give someone access to your Facebook page, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.